Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome to Smart Tech guys. Today I came again with one more video, and it's very important for all of you if you are watching this video. Right now with me one security camera. The name is IMOU. The model number is Build2C. Today I will unbox it and will show you what's inside. And if you have any confusion to configure it, you will learn in this video how to configure this camera with your mobile phone on multiple devices. And guys, also you can mount it with the wall at your home without bringing any technician in your house, and it's very low budgeted camera. You can see in the screen, this is the camera. The company name is IMOU brand. Actually this is a Dahua brand. I've searched on internet, but I'm not sure that exactly what is the main manufacturer of this camera, but I found it very useful, cheap price, and the resolution is very good. It's mentioning on the catalog there is 1080 pixels FHD day and night vision camera, and also some very important functions inside. Human detection. It's weatherproof. You can put it outside in the water or sun. Maximum 75-degree heat, and you can connect it with the Wi-Fi connection, and there is a cloud service, and you can insert memory card up to 256 GB. So now I will rotate my camera to unbox this, and we will see how to configure it and what's inside the box. Stay with me. Yes guys, now I'm going to unbox this camera. Let's see what's inside. Yes guys, this is user manual, quick start guide. You can find it in the box, and you can find the instructions inside, how to configure or how to connect it with wall. Okay, we will see it later. This is also in different languages, one catalog or user manual. Keep it aside. This is the important thing you will find in the box. Just paste it. This is a sticky note, like sticky sticker. You paste it with the wall where you want to fix your camera, then make 3 hole with drill machine, and it's very easy to fix. Okay, this sticker is important. Keep it aside. This is the camera guys. Today we will configure it. First of all, I will show you. This is guys 2 megapixel camera, and here is the slot for memory card. There are 2 screws. Just unscrew these 2 screws and insert the memory card. You can insert memory card inside 256 GB up to 256 GB. Right now with me 32 GB. Right now with me to 32 GB that we will fix inside. Okay, actually this camera is economically very good, not costly. If you go, you don't want to put the wires for DVR or NVR, if you don't want to make a mess in your home, I will highly recommend this camera, because no need any wiring, just need 12 volt connection. The adapter is inside. Here is adapter, power adapter, 12 volt. Okay, the wire is almost 2.5 meter. These are the screws that we will fix in the wall. This is power adapter, and this plastics are used to for water. We will make it waterproof. That cable, you will see this cable. Here is the network connection cable. That plastic we will fix inside. I will show you how to fix this plastic. These are the things in the box. This is the camera with 2 antenna guys. This is 12 volt connection. So now I will rotate this camera to my mobile screen. I will connect the power and show you how to configure it with your mobile phone. First of all guys, I will unscrew these 2 screws. Okay, and this is, you can see the small nano button inside. This is for reset. You can reset all network parameters from that's stored in your phone. You can reset it from here. And now I will unscrew these 2 screws, and then we will insert our memory card. Guys, I unplug that plastic, and you can see insert the memory card inside. Make sure the correct position of memory card insert. Don't opposite side. Don't insert opposite side. It can damage the slot. Okay, this is sensitive work. Okay, you can hear the sound to fix this memory card, and there is a reset button inside that I mentioned earlier. I will fix this back again. Okay, I will unscrew these, tight these screws, and then I will show you how to put this protection from water with the cable that you can connect with the network cable also if you don't have Wi-Fi connection. But today we will configure it with Wi-Fi connection, so we will not use this network cable connection. I will fix this to protect it from water. Yes guys, to connect it, configure it with your mobile phone. If you have iPhone, you have to go App Store, or if you're using Android, then you have to go Play Store. Find the IMOU, type IMOU in the search bar, and then you will find this logo. This is the application for this camera. The model number is IMOU. I will just open it. Okay, then guys, we have to add the device. We have to click on this sign plus. We'll add plus sign, scan QR code, or add manually. If you want to add manually, you have to insert serial number, and there is a serial code also on the back of this phone. So I will just scan it with QR code and add it automatically. Okay, look, this is the QR code. Okay, it's scan. Yeah. Okay, it's find the serial number and everything. I will press next. Okay, now it's showing that before you proceed, please ensure your device is powered up. Yes, my device is powered up already. The camera LED is flashing green slowly. Yes, it's flashing green right now with me. The third thing is you have your Wi-Fi password handy. I have my Wi-Fi password. I will press next. It's want to join my Wi-Fi network. I will press join. It's connecting. Now this will find the wireless networks that I want to. Okay, this is my network downtown. I will press downtown. It's save password, already detect the password, and this is the password. I will press next now. This device is connecting to the cloud, and it will take some seconds to configure it perfectly. Stay with me, and then we will see either it's working or not. Process to add this device with your mobile phone is very easy, and you can use add this camera with multiple devices, not only one mobile phone. And the third thing is I forgot to tell you, this application will not work until you have to insert an email address. You have to add an email to this application, then it will work. The new users, if you install the application first time, you have to add an email address, and you cannot give permission to any other device until you have to found his email or her email. Okay guys, make sure that you insert the proper email. Now it's asking me device added successfully. I will write anything. You can write a garage or anything. I will put in my garage, so I will press garage. I will press done. Okay, hold on. Now it's asking that you want trial for cloud storage. There is cloud storage as well inside. I will say not, because I don't want to store in the cloud, maybe later. So now you can see there's two cameras right now showing in my screen. This is the one garage. Right now we configure it. I will show you it's working fine. It's asking to update the firmware. No problem, do it, update the firmware. It's updating, but make sure that during update don't disconnect the internet, so it will not damage. It's downloading the firmware. Let it complete. If you have fast internet, it will not take long. Update in progress. After finishing this process, as I mentioned earlier, that you found there is sticker inside the box. You can mount it with wall very easily. It's not difficult. You have to find the drill machine to make 3 holes to connect this camera into the wall. Now the update in progress, 91% completed. Okay, it's already have the latest version same. So guys, you can see it's working with my phone very well. And if you want to go to timeline, it's not still rebooting, that's why it's getting delay because the update firmware completed. It's rebooting now. It will connect automatically with the Wi-Fi. You can see the other camera also I have is working fine. We can all information, message settings, all videos, share device. If you want to share this camera with any other person, you have to click on the camera, and here you can see audio recording was share device. Press share device, then write the email for if you want to give any other person access. You can add them by email from here. Press the plus sign, you can add new users. I will not add right now. You see this is working fine. You can see you can zoom it, and there is a voice control also. If you have any question guys, you can ask me in the comments. I will reply your queries, and I will again highly recommend this camera. It's very useful, low budgeted camera without messing all cables or all power connections through your walls. This just connect the power, connect you with your Wi-Fi router, and you can use it in more than 2 or 3 mobile phones. Hope you liked it. If you have any query, ask me in the comments. I will reply. Take care guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like it. Take care. Bye.